Hi, this is Sohail. Uh, I'm the CEO of Intellecta. You can see this is Intellecta.app, which is our website. Um, it's to elevate your classroom with Intellecta's AI-driven educational tools, and anyone can. Currently, we have freemium models, so anyone can access it via here. AI tools. This takes us to the dashboard, which contains all the tools. This shows the top three tools which we people are using it right now, like 190 times just lesson planning 64. Just for your information, we launched like 3 weeks ago, and without any ads, when any marketing budget, we got this response, which was more like a feedback session. And we're really hopeful with ads and other marketing strategies, we can reach to more higher levels. And if you see, these are all the tools: lesson planning, worksheet generator, MCQs, in length lesson planning. Apart from that, you see we have AI chatbot. For school, for educators, students and teachers. They can get like any information from here. They can attach the image document, and they can talk to the documents. They can get any information from here. This is MCQ AI. They can generate any kind of MCQ for any grade, for any kind of subject, and they can test their knowledge here. It's good for teachers and also for students. Our teachers and students can generate presentations from here, especially for teachers. This is really handy, and this was required by asked for by certain teachers that we need this kind of tool. And lastly, we just introduced IELTS preparation. Some of the tools they are already here, but truth, reading, and speaking we're gonna add in near future and coming weeks, and that will cover all the IELTS stuff. So this is we